welcome back to another video. I'm your host, DangerMather24, and today we're back to another video for you of Forza Horizon 5. Today we're doing a really futuristic car. First we have Formula Drift here, and I'm really excited, so let's get into this. So, cool design on the outside. So the inside here, nothing special. Sounds pretty cool. Let's go.
In 200 yards, turn right.
It is really drifty and annoying. But it's fast though, so that's good.
In 400 yards, turn
Please
left.
stop drifting. We got 160, we have to brake here.
Turn left.
And accelerate, come on. Oh. Accelerate nicely, please. And 200, easy dubs, and let's launch off this mountain here. Nice.
You have arrived at your destination.
Thanks, Siri. Here we go. Race time. Come on, guys. Okay, first person time. If you could please stop that, that'd be great. Alright, Viltor, now I know your name. Alright, cool. Get 7th place. That's this cool truck look thing and that thing. 5th. That's this thing. 4th. Now in 3rd. Gotta brake. Please stop drifting. Accelerate. Come on. 2nd. 1st. You gotta keep braking though, so. Come on. Hurry. Now right behind us. Gotta get some distance. Okay. That was not good. Come on. Come on. Brake. Brake. I'm gonna have to. Terrible. Well, it's okay, because I'm not using it. Okay, this is the next car. It is a 2022 Gordon Murray Automotive T50. It is the most futuristic car looking wise in this game, in my opinion. And it's a one-seater. Inside, it's not that cool, as you can hear. Sounds pretty cool too. And I have it on V Max Boost. I think this is just a lot of speed very fast, but less control. Yeah, it definitely is. It is really fast and one of my favorite cars in the game anyway. Yeah, there's not that much control. Okay. That was not good. Let's try high downforce.
In 400 yards, turn left.
Yeah, a lot more control. Race time. Why does my boy have a truck? Anyway, come on, guys. I'm gonna let all of y'all go. Except the ones too stupid to pass. Okay, let's go. Don't think I really... Oh my fucking god. How fucking dumb are you? Let's just, catch up. Pass everybody. Fucking bitch. Alright, that's good for us. We pass you. Alright, I see the other people. Frankly, I'm going to pass them. And then shit in their mouths. Because that's what I like to do. Break, come on. Shit. Braked right when it told me to. Again. Just being a bitch. Hey, if I needed to brake earlier, fucking tell me, bro. Like, seriously, what the fuck is this? Alright, come on. Gotta catch up to these people. Come on. Ooh. Come on. Fucking easy. Easy. 85% and still I can't see him. Nice. Anyway, we gotta get a good shot at the end. Alright, come on. Okay, that was okay, I guess. Okay, so this is the next car. Why is my guy bobbing like an idiot? It is a 2019 Hennessey Velociraptor 6x6. And, very cool, as you can see. Upgraded this quite a bit. Made it really good at off-road, so let's test it out. There's my destination. And ready to do some jumps.
Recalculating route.
Yeah.
200 yards. Turn left.
Oh, let's get a good one.
You've just been challenged to a head-to-head.
No, fuck off. Wee. 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 Oh my god. When am I gonna cut this out? Hope so soon. Wee. 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 And let's get a good jump right here. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, let's a nice old jumperoo up here at this edge. Beautiful. And we're at the place.
You have arrived at your destination.
Okay. Time for next race. Come on, guys. Keep on going. Yep. Last one I'm going to allow. We're here to run the race. Let me get past you. Come on. Get past you. Jump. Fuck. Alright, we're in third place. Whoa. Oh, that guy almost flipped. Oh. That's not good. Come on. Anyway, it was pretty damn easy. Because this car is a lot faster than theirs. Oh, nope. Gotta get this jump. Just have to. Woo. Let's go. And they're still far back. Come on. Hurry up. Get up the mountain. Let's go, let's go. I want to get the good jump. A jump for you. Yep, that's good. Whee! Come on. Easy. Okay, well guys, that is all I have for you guys today. If you did enjoy, please like, subscribe for our next video, which we will be doing Hondas, and yeah, like if you're excited for that, and I'll see you guys then. Have an amazing day, guys. Bye bye.